Do people still make YouTube channel trailers? Probably not, but I'm making one anyways because I made one last year at New Year's thanking you all for 2018 and welcoming you into 2019, where I promised a bunch of amazing things, and I think I delivered. You can be the judge of that. 2020, what's in store? I have no idea. Hopefully it'll be awesome. And the only way you're going to find out is if you watch. So you can click the subscribe button or whatever, ring the bell, all that crap. But more importantly, I'm just going to do for this channel trailer just the thumbnails, just the slides of all the videos that I put out in 2019. And if you want to see any of them, the links are on my channel. So just go ahead and find that picture. All right, be good.
Will I make a sound when I come crashing down if no one is around to hear me hit the ground? Does a light shine as bright in the middle of the night when no one is around to have it in their sight? I just hit the ground, did you hear me? I just burst into flame, can you see me out there? All the monsters under the bed when I'm dead, asleep or only in my insomniac head. Will they apologize for all their lies? Lose that nasty